Hey friends, if you wish to change performance settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, increasing the performance is a different thing, but as for performance settings, here's what you have to do. Search for performance and click on adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Select this option, adjust for best performance, and then there will be an option which says show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges and screen font. Just check these two and click on apply and then on OK. One more thing that I do to increase performance is that I'll open the task manager. I'll go to the startups tab. Okay. I will select it by enabled first. I'll check which ones are absolutely required at startup. I will disable every other program at startup. They won't run in the background this way. Okay. And this is what I can do for performance. Obviously, I can change it to high performance settings and all, but that is a trade-off that you have to ponder over. We have a separate video for that. As for the basic performance settings, these were the main ones. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.